Dear students, very good morning to all of you. As discussed in the last lecture about the project planning, project slides, about the business. So, in continuation to all that lecture, I'm going to discuss with you about the project planning, scheduling, how does it work, multi level scheduling, the tools required. So, please pay attention for the same. All right. To begin, first of all, what is planning? Planning is the process of deciding in advance what about the tasks, activities to be taken in the future. As you all know, nothing is permanent. So planning is required. So you can take decisions for one particular case, another. If one fails, you have to take care of another. So you should have the options, right? Planning in business is the function of selections of an entrepreneur objectives, and establishing the policies, procedures, and programs necessary for achieving them. Now comes over to the objectives. Now, what are the objectives of project planning? Number one, it is all about analyzing, anticipating, scheduling, contradicting, and of course, controlling. Last but not the least, it is all about the information management as well. Next one, the tools. Talk about the tools. Number one, multi level scheduling. Now, how does it work? What are the things that are included in this? Number one, master project schedule, functional area schedules, and of course, schedules of work packages. Next one, we have talked about multi level scheduling. Now it is about the multi project scheduling, right? It is about the project. Next is the material requirements. Quite easy. What are the materials that are required? Now, the next one, cats and the rats. You might not be aware of this, but as discussed there in the class, I'm repeating it again. Cats are committed activities and the target schedule. As the name signifies, it is quite clear. Now, what are rats? Reserved activity and target schedule. And of course, not last but the least, it is about the network analysis. Moving on to the next slide, it is about the essentials of project planning. Now, what does it include? Number one, proper understanding of the project, of the objectives, planning in detail, adequate concentration of the alternatives, sound information base, participating and involvement of the beneficiaries, appropriate organization, arrange for monitoring and control. I guess you all are understanding of the points whatsoever they are being discussed over here. And as the name signifies, it means the same. If any problems regarding the same, you may approach me and I'll try to discuss this. This is all about for this particular lecture. See you in the next lecture. Take care.